Honor to introduce them to you. Our first judge, Dr. Lizelle R. Molina Magtoto. Ma'am Magtoto is an Associate Professor of Biology at the University of the Philippines, Baguio. She has contributed to several notable studies and publications focusing on biological sciences, distinguished in public addresses such as choosing the right plants for landscaping, introducing floristic diversity to students, and the like. We are delighted to welcome Dr. Magtoto as a judge, with her keen eye for originality and innovation. Our next judge, Ms. Shirley Jean S. Valdez, an established science research specialist too from the Watershed and Water Resources Research Development Extension Center. For nearly a decade, Ms. Valdez's significant research expertise spans nearly a decade with a focus on pests and disease, monitoring conservation, ecological restoration, and greenhouse gas or the GHG emissions. Also, her specific skills in floristry, landscaping, and other areas are helpful in assessing the ingenuity and craftsmanship of today's card parade. Finally, our last judge, we welcome the Honorable Mr. Romeo Hugo Chua, the Barangay Kagawad of the Baguio Country Club. Mr. Chua is known for his active role not only in our previous Salong Festival Park Parade, but also in our Panagbenga Festival. His profound appreciation of the community events and commitment to involvement to serve as a testament to his dedication. Moreover, Mr. Chua's expertise and insightful contributions to the aesthetic development of Baguio Country Club will greatly enhance the judging planet. Once again, a round of applause for our judges.
Thank you, Ms. Leia. Now, while our judges are judging our very beautiful 3 cards, I believe it's time for us to open the Ecological Waste and Sustainability Fair of the city. So with that, I would like to call on this side of Malcolm Square, our city government officials, our guests and participants. But before that, of course, let's hear a message from our ever-gorgeous Councilor Betty Tabay.
To all the lovers of nature, to all the eco-warriors, in implementation of the Solid Waste Management Program of the city initiated by the Mayor, we have institutionalized in the Council the Solid Waste Management and Sustainability Fair. Here we are asking everybody to refuse, to reduce, to reuse, and recycle waste so that we will be able to achieve what we think is almost impossible but may be possible, zero waste Baguio. So may I invite the city officials and our partners in the private sector and all the other eco-warriors to join us in unfurling the opening of our Eco Waste and Management and Sustainability Fair.